What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will discuss the best ceiling speakers according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. Without further ado, let's get started. At first, we have the Bose Virtually Invisible 791. Fast insulation is a feature of the Bose Virtually Invisible 791 Series 2 in ceiling speaker, which is supplied in pairs. It has two 1-inch tweeters and a 7-inch woofer to provide a nearly full range of response. Each speaker can be used with an amplifier or receiver with a power output of 10 to 100 watts at 6 to 8 ohms. And these speakers also have a 6 ohm rating and can handle 50 watts IEC continuous power. This can fill an average-sized living room with sound from a pair of Bose Virtually Invisible 791 Series 2 in ceiling speakers. Then further, one of these pairs has Bose Stereo Everywhere speaker technology, which enables you to hear a stereo sound image from wherever in the room. This is partially because of how Bose arranged the tweeters such that they fired opposing directions at 45-degree angles from the center of the speaker. Next is Klipsch CDT5800C2. Both these speakers can steer high and low frequencies into the listening area because of a patent-pending gimbal system known as controlled dispersion technology. A normal dome tweeter disperses sound over a greater area, which causes more reflected sounds that muddle musical subtleties. The 100-degree titanium compression driver symmetrically Tractrix horn, on the other hand, directs sound more precisely. It may turn around completely and then move 15 degrees in either direction. The tweeter's linear travel suspension improves smoothness and high-frequency detail. The CDT5800C2 raises the bar for architectural audio perfection with the aid of additional features of the highest professional caliber, including a premium network and treble and bass contour adjustments. Lastly, it comes with perforated metal wings that are simple to attach to the studs using screws, nails, or staples, as well as a mud ring breakaway wire tie and color-coded brackets for setting it up. In order to comply with regional building requirements and/or lessen sound transmission to adjacent rooms, it can also be used in conjunction with the Me 800C fire-rated speaker enclosure, which is supplied separately. Next up, we have the Sonos In-Ceiling. These in-ceiling speakers from Sonos are reasonably portable and light. For listening to music, movies, spoken word, or ambient noise, it was able to produce audio that was perfectly clear. Also using TruePlay capabilities, it could modify the tonal characteristics of the speakers in accordance with the size, shape, and obstructions of the space to always offer high-quality sound, regardless of where the speakers are mounted. These in-ceiling speakers sound rather neutral and, unlike some, use a woofer and tweeter combo rather than a single full-range driver with a frequency response that spans 44 Hz to 20 kHz with a very minor deviation. High output volumes don't significantly degrade the sound quality of the Sonos in-ceiling speakers, which can reach fairly loud. Next is Mika M67. In-ceiling speakers from the Mika Media series are made to perform at their very best in a variety of home audio setups, from soothing background music to powerful home theater systems. Their mellow, organic sound profile and strong bass output provide for an enjoyable listening experience. They offer a lifetime of enjoyment and are perfect for family rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and covered outdoor porches. Moreover, these speakers stick out hardly from the wall and blend in unobtrusively with any decor thanks to their rim grille design. Also, they practically disappear when painted to match the color of the walls and provide excellent sound without taking up significant space. What's more, it employs a pivoting 1-inch silk dome tweeter and a high exclusion 6.5-inch poly woofer to present a wide sound stage. Next is Polk Audio RC80i. One of the in-ceiling speakers on Amazon that sells the best is the Polk Audio RC80i. The key factors behind its appeal are that it is inexpensive and simple to install. It has a single 1-inch tweeter and an 8-inch woofer. Each speaker at 8 ohms can be powered by a channel of 20 to 100 watt amplifier. Moreover, this 1-inch tweeter is positioned on a swivel mount, so you may aim the high frequencies at the location you want them to be heard. These speakers may be mounted indoors, outdoors, beneath your roof's eaves, in bathrooms, and saunas, thanks to a protected moisture and heat-resistant covering. This is excellent if you want to install a single speaker brand all across the house. This is fantastic news for spending, because Polk Audio is one of the more reasonably priced brands on the market. Also, the speakers come with a template, making it simple and quick to stencil the holes. To install it, simply connect your cables, insert the speaker through the hole, and fasten the screws. Lastly, we have the Yamaha NS-IW280CWH. For the majority of applications, the Yamaha NS-IW280CWH 6.5-inch in-ceiling speaker works excellent. To direct sound to the listening location of your choice, you can pivot the speaker driver and tweeter, thanks to the innovative design. It does have a 6.5-inch driver and two 34-inch tweeters, and suggests driving each speaker with a 20 to 100 watt amplifier at 8 ohms. Also, it includes a template for installations, so you may mark your hole before cutting. Once the speaker is in place, you can tilt the tweeters and speaker driver to the ideal position. The grill is attached with a clip. However, Yamaha includes glue strips to make sure it fits snugly. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.